In this video, you will hear and practice English numbers from 0 to 12. Listen and repeat. 1. 1 book. 1 apple. 1 wow channel. A or an means 1. A book. 1 book. An apple. 1 apple. 2. 2 books. 2 apples. 2 tunics. 1 book. 2 books. Not 2 book. 2 books. We add a letter S. 1 apple. 2 apples. $1. $2. 3. 3 trees. 3 apples. The thriller is at 3. 4. 4 cards. 4 uniforms. 5. 5 photos. 5 files. 6. 6 burgers. 6 cigars. 7. 7 cents. The seminar is at 7. 8. Donate $8. The class is at 8. 9. At 9. At the office. 9 ninjas. 10. 10 tanks. The test is at 10. 11. 11 lemons. 11 levels. 12. 12 tomatoes. 12 tweets. 0. 0 zebras. 0 zigzags. Let's see the numbers again. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Now, a listening test. I say a number, you write it in the comments. 7. 7. 3. 3. 11. 11. 4. 4. 10. 10. 9. 9. 0. 0. 8. 8. Look at the screen. Check your answers. How many are correct? 8 out of 8? 5? 6? Write your number in the comments.